hold my breath. As soon as you slammed that, whatever was on the roof fell in my mouth.
This thing hasn't been started since what? January, February? Fired right up.
Can't move the seat, so the steering wheel's definitely sitting on my balls. Oh yeah.
So when you like have a nice car and your like non-car girlfriend is like, hey, my friend has the same car as you and it's completely different. Exactly. You just did that to your own car, bro.
So
Hey, let me help you. Like, I got you, bro. I got you.
oh, this Carolina squat. Carolina squat. That's the video.
That might be even better. Just fucking
Carolina squatted. Oh, they're definitely bottomed out.
Oh, we got a little pressure on that guy.
This is bottomed out. That's literally as low as they'll go.
You're probably right. Oh, do we need to just like pull down on everything? Is that the problem?
Problem.
Right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah! Alright, don't let go.
Oh my god, those are long.
We just collapsed the shit out of it too, so. There's no way. Oh, we're golden.
Oh my god!
I told you it's gonna go down even farther. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know if we're gonna get it out of here.
It'll roll
I
itself.
say we just turn it. Whatever. What's the worst that happens?
Why did you do that?
Let's jack it up, I guess. I don't want to sit in it for that.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh no!
Look what he did over here. Look what you did.
I didn't do anything, sir. Oh, poor car.
Oh!
Hold on.
Want to just jack the car up?
Alright, you should be good.
I think we should probably raise it a little bit. You're just like, nah.
Look at that fender.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's,
Alright, floor it!
I don't know if we're good.
That was just really a muffler, no big deal. Sure. Yeah, it's just a flange on the exhaust. You're good. Alright, you're off of it now. You're good. Go ahead. Don't slow down. Don't stop. There's a 2-bolt flange in the middle of the exhaust. Don't put.
It's burning.
No, it's not. It's not that hot. It's not burning that wood.
No, you spun the tire.
Alright, now put it in reverse and just don't stop. Yeah! It just ripped a little bit.
Yeah, it's okay.
You're good the rest of the way now.
Look at the side skirt.
Are we taking bets on if it doesn't burn out?
Hey, just start a burnout and
I can't do it. Oh my god.
Is he neutral dropping it? Alright, it sounds to me like we need to find that fuse. ABS, traction control, etc.
We don't need ABS or traction control.
That was a 2x4 that did that.
don't think it's gonna work.